Tofu French toast makes 6-8 pieces. 8 ounces silken tofu, 1/2 cup dairy-free milk, 1 teaspoon agave or maple syrup, 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon, 1 ripe banana, vegan butter or mild flavored oil for cooking, 6-8 slices of bread. 1. Heat a non-stick pan over medium heat. 2. Blend the tofu, dairy-free milk, syrup, cinnamon, and banana on high until smooth. If too thick, add a few tablespoons extra dairy-free milk or water. Pour the coating mixture into a shallow dish and dip the bread into the mixture, thoroughly coating both sides. 3. Melt a teaspoon of oil or vegan butter on the hot skillet, then add your soaked bread. 4. Cook for 2-3 minutes and flip to cook the other side once the edges begin to turn golden brown. Repeat with remaining bread. 5. Serve with fresh fruit, powdered sugar, or maple syrup.